Hey guys, and welcome back to Kelly's Garage. This is part three in a series dedicated to cleaning up my garage and getting it prepped as a woodworking shop. In this episode, you'll see me tackle a great deal of that mess you see in the left-hand corner there on the tables. We're going to get that all cleaned up, a little better organized. Definitely not a final organization, but we'll get that cleaned up and start preparing to get more floor space so I can build my workbench. I received a comment in part one regarding the anxiety that's achieved watching the follow me function on these videos at high speed. And at first, I didn't understand what exactly was being relayed via the comment, so I thought it was more about the subscription buttons that were coming up on the screen. And I had told the viewer to go ahead and subscribe and face his fears. But now that I watch this and I'm also receiving a level of anxiety when the follow me feature is on at high speed, I think this will probably be the last video that I use that feature. Not being the best cameraman out there and also still just kind of learning my way through the ropes here, you could probably notice the black lens angles that come up when this makes a sharp or right turn with the follow me feature. That's because I forgot to set the setting to enable the lens that I have on the GoPro camera. So if you're wondering what that is, that's just me not knowing exactly what I'm doing. I was really excited to get that table broken down and put away so I can get access to some of those tools that were underneath it. So I know I'm starting to chip away at this block, getting closer to being done with this cleanup. I did mention in the last episode that I would be getting an air filtration unit and would be doing an unboxing video and setup video for that. If you look under the green Makita bag sitting there in the center of your view, you will see that that device was received. So be on the lookout for that unboxing and setup video coming out pretty soon. Wow, look at that. I haven't seen that table's surface in probably a year. Hey, I just want to thank you guys for staying until the end. As we come to a close here, just want to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And just, of course, keep those comments coming. I do base what the next videos I'm going to make off comments, and I really look forward to seeing what you guys might have to say about what I'm doing here in Kelly's garage. All right, till next video. What has two thumbs and likes a clean garage? This guy.